Welcome into the era of AI. Hello and welcome. So in this lecture, we're going to get started creating the website on a hosting provider using the AI builder. Now I'm going to create another website. I'm going to click add website, use hosting your AI builder. And this AI builder can generate me a website in minutes. And you'll actually be shocked to see how fast this is. So here I'm going to click start creating. All I need right now is a website type, which in this case is an online store, as well as a brand name. So the brand name is up to you to give. So for instance, we can go here to ChatGPT. We can say, suggest some brand names for me regarding dental flosser. Of course, if Costless is your brand, in this case, for example, Amazon, we're looking at this product. It's called Costless. If that's your brand, then you can use your own brand credentials. But if not, you can create your own brand. For example, Smile Pulse, Pure Floss, these are really good names. Just remember to go to the website uspto.gov and check if the names are trademarked. In my case, I'm not going to do that. I'm just going to jump right into it. Pulse or Pure Floss. Now I'm going to say I chose Pure Floss, okay? And I'm going to say generate a very short description of a website for me. Keep it short and only one short paragraph. And it's a one product store. So I should go ahead and make sure I mentioned that, but it doesn't even matter right now. I'm just going to go ahead and copy this like so, and let's do some magic. So I'm going to paste the description in here. Now they're allowing me to add as much as 1,000. So I'm going to go back and say, you have 1,000 characters or character limit. And I could say something such as, well, this is a great dental flosser. And it's a one product store. So since it's a one product store, we can go basically and build that, taking that into consideration. So now it's giving us this particular description. I can go here, copy. So you see, I'm not even doing anything. AI is doing most of the work. Now we have this description. It's 950 characters. And now that's it. That's it. I just have to click create a website and that's it. The website will be created. And that's pretty much it. All right, so of course, this is too good to be true, but I'll show you. All right, so there it is. Transform your dental care routine. It's a fully functional website with images and all. And most importantly, it's an e-commerce store, right? With pages and everything. And you can click edit right here in case you want to edit about the website. And pretty much, this is as simple as that. If you'd like to add products, well, here they're asking me about the store currency and so on and so forth. So these are just some basic information you have to fill. So if you want to add your first product, go ahead to add product and add a physical product. Make sure to also check the products they have. So if you click on products, for instance, they're going to show you the products they have here. Now, I'm going to remove all of these because I don't necessarily want these. And what I'm focusing on in this case is this dental flosser. So I'm going to say water dental flosser teeth pick. That's the title for my product. I'm going to come back into the store and add my first product. Since this is only a one product store, I'm going to place the title of the product. As far as the description, let's say, or the subtitle, let's say that this is the subtitle. Now this is also just an example. So I'm going to copy the subtitle in here and go back into the store manager and simply place the subtitle. As far as the description is concerned, you can even use the AI writer to write a description for a product, and it will generate some text based on a very short description of your product. Then, as far as the images are concerned, you can, for example, come over here, and you can download an image to use or a couple of images to use. In this case, let's use 2 images. First off, let's download this one. Secondly, let's go and pick another one. For instance, maybe this. And let's go ahead and click Save Image As. In which case, this is going to save this image right now in the downloads. And I can go back into the store manager. I can click right here and I can basically drag this right over here. I can drag another image right over here. And now we have 2 images, and you can control the way you want to put these images. Now, it's generating some text because I misclicked, actually. I shouldn't even have clicked there because these are filled. And yeah, it generated a couple of some new title and description. And here, let's say this is my bestseller, you know. I can make it bestseller. Now, the price of the product on Amazon is about $35.24. Now, let's say here we put it as $99.99, and we put it as at a discount price of maybe $69.99. And let's say we only have about 200 of those. And the options, well, we can give options and categories. I'm not going to, and I'm just going to save. And now we can go and preview the website. Now, the other settings in the dashboard, they're pretty straightforward. Just have to go and set up a payment method, update your company information, review the shipping options, and so on and so forth. Those are just some basic information that you can go ahead and add. But now I'm going to go back to edit the website just to show you what the website actually looks like. So here we are. And if you don't like this image, for instance, you can go click this section. You can edit this section, and I can opt for a video. And I can go ahead and actually replace this video by searching for white teeth. And it's going to show us a lot of people with white teeth, which are white or smile, right? Whatever you want to use. And for instance, let's say I like this one. You can go and click select. And now all of a sudden, you have this pretty interesting video in the background. And if you want to go live, just click go live. And they're going to ask you to connect your domain, which is very simple on here. You just have to go ahead and click connect domain, just like this. And you should be able to connect your domain to this website by, of course, choosing a domain from here. You search for it, click next, pay for the domain, and that's it. It takes a couple of minutes to connect a domain, but you will do it. And then after 24 hours, it will be connected 100%. And you'll see a green element here, a green circle saying that your domain is connected. But the website looks good. If I click on it from here, I can go and preview it. Let's go and preview it. And you can see what the website actually looks like. It's animated and everything. And the good thing is that we have built it in a very, very fast amount of time. And people can click on your product. They can go to see the details about it, the price. You can see it's displaying the original price, the discounted price. They can add it to bag by clicking like this. They can go to checkout and so on and so forth. They can always see their cart. They can always go back to the home page by clicking on your logo. And this does look really interesting. So that is pretty much that. Stay tuned for our next video.